back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing my empties for February, some January, but mostly February. So yeah, mostly, I mean, this is not a lot of stuff in here, but there's some stuff, so I just figure I'll just go ahead and do it and then throw it out. So anyways, first is the kids foaming bubble bath. I got this at Dollar Tree. Honestly, I'm not going to buy this anymore just because I'm trying to be more aware about the chemicals that I expose my son to, and I'm just being more cautious, and I'm not going to buy this. I mean, it's only $1, but he didn't really use it this time, so I don't really think he cares about bubble baths anymore, so I'm just not going to purchase that anymore. This Caress body wash, it was a scrubbing body wash, or exfoliating. I did not really like it that much. I did use it, but it wasn't the best. It just wasn't my favorite. And I'm trying to be, like I said, more cautious about what I put into on my body. So I've got a more chemical-free body wash. I know it may seem silly, but I'm just trying to be cautious since I am pregnant. And I just want to be more environmentally cautious for myself, like just what chemicals I'm putting into my body. I also used up this, I actually used this up a while back. This is the purple shampoo. Honestly, no, I'm not going to purchase this again unless I have blonde hair, which will probably be a long time from now because I'm not going to color my hair while I'm pregnant. Just trying to be cautious. I know, seems silly, but I'm not going to buy that. If I get blonde hair again, I will purchase that. It was good. It works really well for blonde hair, and it lasted me a long time. So, yeah. My husband used up the Irish Spring body wash. I probably will purchase this again for him because he doesn't care what body wash he uses. It does smell good. I like the way it smells on him. Reminds me of when we first started dating. This was the soap he used, but he used the bar soap. But I do like the Irish Spring, and I probably will purchase that again for him. He also used up the Zest hair and body. It was for both hair and body. He used it for both, but I probably won't purchase it again because he doesn't particularly like the hair and body together. He prefers it just to be one or the other. It was on sale, so that's why I picked it up, but, you know, it was fine. I used this shampoo that has, like, free of, like, a bunch of stuff. I did not like the way it cleaned my hair. I like the brand. It's Rin Pure Advance. I just didn't like this actual shampoo. I have the conditioner, which the conditioner is really good. But I think I would try a different scent and a different kind from this brand. I did like it, I just didn't like that one. So, I also used up one of the, I actually really like this. It's got 98% derived ingredients, so it makes me feel a little bit better, and it has a vegan formula and 90% biodegradable, no silicones, no parabens, and no artificial colors. So that makes me feel a little bit better, but I really like this. I actually purchased it again in the papaya extract. I couldn't say that. It's $2.97. You can get it at H-E-B, Walmart, probably Walgreens. I'm not exactly sure. I know I picked this up at Walmart. It smells divine. It's a 1-minute mask. I scraped, if you could see that, I scraped the sides so there was nothing left. I will continue to purchase these. I really like them, especially for $2.97, and it really saves my hair. Right now my hair has been, with this pregnancy, I feel like my hair has just been more dry. I have no idea. I think I need a haircut, but it's just been really dry. Everything's been dry. My skin, my hair, I don't know. Who knows? Probably because the baby's taking everything that I have, so, you know, I have to replenish it with something. So, anyways, I used this and I really liked it, and I did repurchase it. I used up the Aerofoam foaming hand soap. This is from Dollar Tree. I did repurchase a foaming soap. I plan to replace it with a better quality foaming soap, but at this time right now, Dollar Tree is, you know, I'm still a broke ass bitch, so, you know, I still don't have a lot of money, so I don't mind using these soaps. They stopped selling this one, and they have like a different one. They don't have the Aerofoams anymore, but I do like the foaming soaps for my son because he can push it down and wash his hands better than with regular soap. So I will continue to repurchase foaming soaps. I'm hoping to get like a better quality one. So anyways. Then I also used this John Frieda Brilliant Burnett. This is back before I was pregnant, so this is before I knew I was pregnant. The Color Protecting Shampoo. I actually did like this because my hair was, like, I did have a Burnett I mean, my hair is brunette right now, but I also had color in my hair. So I was doing this to try to save my color as much as possible, but now my color is like way down here and it doesn't really matter, so. This is the Summer's Eve cleansing wash. I probably won't buy this for a while either, just because this has a lot of chemicals in it, and I just don't want to be putting this down in my, you know, U-Haul and exposing my baby to other chemicals. Like I said, I'm trying to be cautious. I know it may seem over or ridiculous or whatever, but it is what I want to do, and I'm just trying to, you know, better myself. So we also used up the Glade limited edition. This was the Christmas one. It was like 74 cents. That's why I picked it up. It was alright. I mean, it's just Christmas scent. I would not purchase that again, but I mean, it was on sale. I did finish the DermaE Anti-Wrinkle Scrub. I would definitely buy this again. I like that DermaE is like really cautious about what they put in their products. It really made my skin nice and soft, and I'll have the actual just face wash in my shower, and I love it. It has vitamin A and glycolic acid in it, and I got this sent to me, both products, you know, just because I'm on their PR, so I get this to review whatever. But I really liked this, and I would repurchase that. I love DermaE products. I haven't found a product that I never really didn't like. This is the split-in fix spritz from Perfectly Posh. This took me a long time to finish. I didn't like it, and I think it's been discontinued anyway, so I wouldn't purchase that again. It wasn't that great. I found something else, thankfully, that helps my hair now. My sister got me a Birch Box, and I did actually film it, but I forgot to upload it. But this was one of the products. It was a curl cream definer. I kind of just used it as a hair styling thing. It's for curly hair, but I like it, but I wouldn't purchase it, but just because of the fact that it's for curly hair. But, you know, I used it, and I appreciated her, you know, giving it to me to try. This is the 24-hour intense body I may have already talked about this, coconut lime. I'm not sure. But I used it all up. I have the full size, and this has saved my skin for the time that I've been washing my hands and for the pregnancy. My gosh, my hands have been so dry. My legs, my hands. This has saved my hands, I tell you what. I cannot live without that. I also used up the Husk oil. This is the whatever. It's an oil. I can't speak English. I picked up the other one of this, and I actually picked up the full size at Walmart. I love the Husk oil, whatever. It's awesome. Works really well. So you can find it at Walmart in a bigger size for like $3. This is like $2 something, so I guess it's not like the best deal, but it was the only place I could find it at the time. Alright, I used up a Fluorine Shampoo and Conditioner. I know there's still some in here, but it's not enough to wash my hair. This was from the Birch Box too. I did like this. It smelled absolutely wonderful. If I could find it without having to go to Ulta, I'd buy it, but I'm not going to go all the way to Ulta just for that. So it was great. I liked it for the time being. I also used up a Nook Mask. I don't have the little thing, but this was the Deep Hydration Moisture Burst. It was one of those things that came free with samples or whatever. I did like it. You know, I would purchase it if I could find them here, but you have to buy them Target. I also used up the Almay makeup eraser sticks. I use these up all the time. These are holy grail for me. I will continue to purchase those, and I've actually already purchased them because I never go without them. The Milani Eyeshadow Primer, I actually really like this. It was in 01 Nude. I would repurchase this again. I'm actually trying to use up the Too Faced one, but as soon as I'm done with all my eye primers, this will be a repurchase. I like that. I like it even better than the Urban Decay one, just because it's cheaper. It's only $5 and it actually works really well. So that tells you something. I also used up the e.l.f. Eye Refresher. I don't want to repurchase this. It was not life-changing. No. This was also in the Birch Box my sister got me. This is the huge Stila no. I think I had tried this before, and it's just the brush. It's clumpy. No. I don't like it. And it just, no, it's not that good. The other thing is I used up the Cucumber Gel Mask from Peter Thomas Roth. I love Peter Thomas Roth's mask, just wish they didn't cost an arm and a leg. I love the rose one. I love the blue algae one. I love the cucumber one. The only one I have left, I think, is the gold one, the black one, and a orange the pumpkin one, which I've been kind of not wanting to try that one just because it's supposed to be like a detox mask, and I really don't want to mess with my skin right now with a detox mask. I also finished up the NYX Nude Lips Liner. This is my absolute, I mean, I literally used off every bit of this lip liner. I've already purchased it again. I love this. I was gonna say it says 13 months instead of 12 months, but I think it's 12 months. Anyways, this is a really great lip liner. It's the perfect nude. It's only like $3, and I will definitely purchase this again after I use my other one up. It's in my purse. It stays in my purse. There's a Milani one that's close to this. Maybe I'll do a comparison in another video, but I have both of those lip liners in my purse, and I really like this one. I like this one because it's retractable, you know, it comes up and down. The Milani one you have to sharpen, so that's the only thing. Once I finish up the Milani one, I'm not going to repurchase that, but I will repurchase this one. And then I just have the e.l.f. lip, yeah, I use this up, the lip scrubber, the exfoliate one. I use this for my son and for me, but mostly for my son because he kind of picks at his lips and will get raw spots. So I use this to kind of get that dry skin off, and then I make him put lip balm on. I have one for me and one for him. That was his. And then I am getting rid of this Tarte lip paint. I did not like it. This was part of like the Sephora thing. I just don't like it. I'm not a big fan of liquid lipsticks, and so yeah, this is just going in the trash because it's, yeah. And then I also have a shadow in here that's Grifter from, I have the full size in this. It's just, this one's really old, and so I just thought I'd throw it out from Urban Decay. Anyways, that's my empties for the month of late January, February. And I will do an update for my pregnancy too this week. Alright guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye!